We're up the river today. I'm just here with Adrian, and what a beautiful little fish. Took a HOLT prawn. Let's get him back in the water, eh? Kaboom! Away he goes. Beautiful. Good?
You're in a bit of current. It is a GT. He's pulling hard in that current, eh?
Yeah. So what you fishing, Adrian? Oh yeah, prawn. GT, mate. GT. Yeah, clown prawn. Oh! I almost dropped my net. Sorry about that, guys. I almost dropped my net. Trying to do too many things at once. Nice, mate.
Beautiful.
Well done, Adrian.
Thank you.
Ooh. Jeez, he wanted that prawn. What was the little technique you were using there, mate?
Actually, just quick hops off the bottom and then fast tracking it and then just stopping it dead, and they were just bang, and he had 2 or 3 goals at it.
Yeah, so that's one on the clown, one on the HOLT. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Well done. Let's pop it back in.
Gone.
I can't believe I dropped the net in the water.
Did you get it on camera?
Yeah.
Hey, good fish. Good fish.
Ooh. Nice.
This might be a little bit better.
Yeah. Got a bit more grunt in him. Take your time on him, mate. Hey, good fish. Nice. On the clown again. Clown prawns, mate. So what we've got here, we've got a...
Oh, it's a flatty.
Is it?
It's a flatty.
It must be huge.
It's a good flatty.
He's a cracking fish, guys. He's a really good fish. Come on, Adrian, get the dog.
Get the dog.
Get the dog. Yeah, he's a good fish, mate. What have you got on there? £10?
Yeah, he's got it in his gob. He's had the chance this could come off.
Oh, he ain't going to come off. Come on, mate.
I think it's just because he's in that current too, like, you might have to go in from behind him.
He's just sitting in the current, so it's just going to keep him nice and fresh. So he's real green, this flathead. I reckon he's going to be up near 60, 70. He's fat. Oh, he's hooked around the back. Around the back of him. Around the back of him. Swearing on the... I've got a beat, mate.
Going around back.
Nice, Adrian. Whoa, what a great fish that is.
Thank you.
Beautiful. So there we go. That's a cracking flathead, mate.
Yeah,
I wonder what he'd go. He'd probably go about...
Maybe 60.
Old Danielle, my missus, will be absolutely fuming if you put that back.
Sorry, Danielle.
she said to me, bring a flathead down. Stop putting them back. But anything around about that 60 marks, female, guys. So
I like to look after these guys.
yeah, look after them.
Just swim this guy.
Just swim him. Yep.
Ready?
Oh, there you go. He'll come good. Look
There
at that.
He's off.
Beautiful, mate. Can we have a look at what you caught him on? Just show us that swim prawn. You put a heavier jig head on, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah.
He's ripped it apart, I'm afraid, but...
So that's the swim prawn. Sorry, not the swim prawn. It's clown prawn.
Clown prawn.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful, mate. Well done. Great job. Woo! Number 3 fish for the day. And what an absolutely cracking day it is. It's absolutely beautiful today. Fantastic. Well done, Adrian. Well done, Adrian. Great. We're back. I'll send it to Adrian. Next fish, and I'll drop you back at the ramp. And with that, boom, he's on a fish. So I'm going to be dropping Adrian back at the ramp. He's going to go out for lunch today. So it's been a great morning. I'm going to head back out. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a better one. I'll get the net this time.
I think it'll be alright.
Hey?
Fine.
You got him? No dropping. Ah, he's a bit better. So great fun on light gear, guys. Self with the tide running over the sandbanks, and that's where the brim will be, and the flatties. Pretty much most fish will be sat there in the current, just waiting for a feed to come across. All right, Adrian, we'll get you back.
Thank you.
Good morning, mate.
Thank you.
Enjoyed it.
Cheers.
I just dropped Adrian off, and got a nice little fish on here. Not sure what he is. There you go. So I'll hook this guy. Beautiful little brim back. Just just flicking a really lightweighted plastic, and it's a really nice bream. And good size too. You can see just out there. Fish for in here. There you go. Nice bream. So I'll just get this guy back in the water, see if we can get a few more. Absolutely deadly on bream, this method. This guy's giving me a bit of a run for my money. Good bream. He's a fatty. These bream are really good size. These are probably the bigger bream that I've been catching in the system lately. Great fun on light gear. There you go, look at that guy. He's a beauty bream. Woo! So we've got good conditions, we've got a little bit of run here in the water. That guy would be probably about 35. So good bream for in the river. Put him back in, eh? So the method I'm doing is just casting up current, super light sinker, just giving a bit of a jiggle when it hits the bottom, and then once the line tightens up, I'll wind it back in and then flicker up current again. So just letting it drift with the current. You don't have to go too far either, you know. A little couple of feet of water, or a metre of water. Just watching that braid all the time. Oh, nice little floodie. I think he was a bream. Hopefully he's edible. My wife will be happy. He's not too big, I don't think he's legal. He's only a baby. Put him back in. There's a nice release. There's another one. Deadly on bream. Good sized bream too that we're getting at the moment. There's another chunk. Oh, he's a cracker. Bream. Turn his head. Tell you what, these guys are probably really nice fried up. Look at that one. So I might just measure this guy, see what these are, but they're all about the same size model, and they're bloody really healthy fish. So this guy's 36 centimetres. As you can see, we're in one of the busiest parts of Noosa, and it just doesn't bother him whatsoever. So we'll get rid of this guy, pop him back in, away he goes. Beautiful, great fun. They probably cook up really well, to be honest with you. It'd be really nice as a crispy skin. Maybe if I get a couple more, I might keep two, just for Danielle and myself for dinner. Might be a little bit more than a bream though. Time on it. This might be a little bit more than a bream. What it is, the drag on nice and light anyway. Boys on the wharf reckon over there that work at the year drive that have caught more bream in the last few minutes than they've caught all year, so they're good bream. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little segment, catching those trevally this morning with Adrian and also getting a few bream myself. We look forward to seeing you soon on the Hook and the Cook, and I promise that I'll do a cooking clip on my next clip. I think I might go and target some crabs, or I might go and get some flathead, and we'll do something anyway on the next clip. I know a few people have been whinging at me to do some cooking, but I'm really enjoying my fishing at the moment. Absolutely loving it. So we'll look forward to seeing you soon here on the Hook and the Cook. Cheers guys.